So now what we're going to do is program your interface for vehicle with steering wheel controls. So on this particular Alpine, you'll see where it says with remote. Sony's are also the same way. Pioneer, many different manufacturers usually label that wired remote, W remote. So what we're going to do, plug that into the back of the radio, set that to the side securely. Just a reminder on this particular Wrangler, if you have power windows, they do need to be plugged in at the time of programming. That goes for most vehicles. So to start programming, turn your vehicle on to accessory 2. On the whole side here, you're going to put a little pick, toothpick, paper clip, whatever you got down into that hole. Press and hold that reset button for about 2 seconds and you'll see the lights start to flash green. Now in this particular vehicle, you have to tap volume up during programming to let this interface box know that the vehicle has steering wheel controls. If we don't, it will constantly go to a red, green flashing. So what we're going to do to program this green box interface, press the reset button, then you want to tap volume up on your steering wheel. You want to do that about a heartbeat pace. So tap, 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 just like I'm doing here. And what you're going to be waiting for is the little light in here to turn green. And it's programming. Solid green to set your programming. You have to cycle the vehicle, and this is going to send a health message out from the vehicle to the interface. And like that, you're done. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put our dash back together, lining up all our clips. There we go. Lock everybody into place. Last piece to go in your dash, again, your power windows. Snap it into place and do a final inspection of our work. All right, so this installation is complete.